can see this car price is 4,000, others are 11,000, others are 4,000. So we can divide this data into two. So we can say replace car price. So we draw the values of car price is equals to 1 if this car price is less than 5,000. So if it is less than 5,000, you code it into 1 and then you so replace car price is equal to 1 if car price is equals to less than 1. Then you click enter, and then you can see that 7 little changes has been made, and then you can browse to see the data. You can see all the values that were less than 5,000 has been recorded into 1, and then we can also do the same for those which are above 5,000. So we can record them as 2. So replace car price is equal to 2 if the car price now is greater than 5,000, and then you click enter, and then you can see that 7 little changes has been made, and then you can browse and see the changes. So you can see those that are below 5,000 has been recorded, or they had been replaced by 1. They has been replaced by 1, and those that are above 5,000 has been replaced by 2. So that is how we use the replace command.